The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Good morning, Facebook. Me not even wash my face yet, for sure now. I've not even washed my face as yet. I just wake up from about 5 really, and wake up from about 5 o'clock. First thing I'm addressing is a fake GoFundMe page by Simon McAuliffe. Simon, I'm reporting it to the fraud squad ASAP. People, there's only one GoFundMe page, and that page is managed by and organized by my sister, my blood sister, Kaylan's aunt, Angela May Kelly. That is the only GoFundMe page. Do not support any other GoFundMe. If I did not say support the page, don't support it. If you don't see me say I gave permission for any fundraising, that means I did not give any permission for any fundraising. Any fundraising that is being done for Kaylan has to be approved by me, because I am the one who is going to have to speak to the bank and the police when time the problem comes. Please. Don't want anybody trying to reap anything off of Kaylan. Kaylan's journey has just begun, and the bills them is very expensive. People, do not make any fake pages on behalf of me, my family, or Kaylan Dowdy. We are not standing for it. Whatever the little page where we have, whatever we can raise on it, I am grateful and I am thankful for it. Because remember, we don't give anybody anything to put down. It's just an unfortunate circumstances which we have, and the bills are overwhelming. Kaylan's recovery will cost a lot. Kaylan is still in a coma. Kaylan is still unconscious. Kaylan is still on life support. Her BP is still dropping, still not maintaining her BP on her own. Right? I don't want, right now we have to be the doctors are fighting for her. She has a blood clot in the left arm that they're trying to get under control before it goes to the lungs. You understand? It's a lot. Okay, yesterday when I went to the hospital, she was looking so droopy. I even had to ask them if she was on any sedative. And they said, no, she's not on any sedatives. Please do not make fake pages. This is a life and death situation. I'm a child life hanging in the balance. Me no need nobody to try and ruin it. Right? People don't need to be mindful and be, oh my man, come on man, people, come on man. You're that heartless? You people are that heartless? That's when you're going to make it. And I see people starting to support it because everybody is rallying around and trying to do their best to help Kaylan. And me appreciate it. Me glad for know say me not alone in that fight here. I'm glad to know that I'm not alone, because the mothers have been reaching out, the fathers have been reaching out, everybody has been reaching out. Even children have been reaching out. And you people gonna make a fake page? Simon McAuliffe, your page is fake. Fake page. I did not give such permission. Me not even open my eye this morning when somebody sent it to me. I said, if this is right. I said, no, it's a fake page. Fake fundraiser. Nobody should click on it. Angela May Kelly organizing Kaylan's GoFundMe. Tammy Faye is doing a fundraiser for Kaylan as well on Facebook, who is associated with Auntie Donna. Those are the pages you should be going to. If you don't see me on video giving permission, then it is not true. If you don't see me making any reports and updates, it is not true. I said this day before yesterday, so I'm even shocked that people actually went ahead and started donating to that fake page. Come on, people. Kaylan need prayers. Kaylan, we need to pray for Kaylan lungs, so Kaylan can start breathing on her own. That's what's holding up the MRI right now. Right? We need Kaylan to start breathing. Right? Yes, I've been receiving money from Ashanti. I see your messages. I have been receiving money from Ashanti in regards to, but how, no, I don't know how, no, I don't, I see your messages. I don't know how transparent it is, but he has been doing something. Well, I can look into the transparency. Yes, I can see the messages. I can look into the transparency of his program, but so far I have no problems with him. He has been turning up. He has been calling. He has been checking up. He has become a friend, and I don't know the credibility, but I will check on it. You know, I can't call out someone without reason. And I want you all to understand that I'm not a person to judge. I'm not a person. I always give people the benefit of the doubt because I look for the good in people. That's the first thing I do. Everybody that comes and reaches out to her, I look for the good in them. They have to prove me wrong, and then I can say, then it is so or it is not so. But so far, Ashanti has been a blessing. As for the fake GoFundMe page, I want you all to report it. If you see it, as you see it, report it. As soon as you catch sight of it, report it. Only GoFundMe, only one. And that's why we decided that we don't want another one, because we don't want any confusion. It's better when we reach our money, we push it up and try to get a little more for her, because you know the care going to take a lot, than to have 2 or 3 GoFundMe pages and confuse the public. And then other fake pages start popping up and we don't know who they belong to, where they're from, where they're going. Right? So that is it. Kaylan needs prayers more than even money right now. Prayers. We need to pray for your lungs. I'm going into fasting and prayer for these lungs because they need to start working.
Viewers and subscribers, I just presented to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And according to what had been said about the entire video that is out on social media, it is said that the video shows a female who is said to be the mother of a teenage girl who goes by the name of Kaylan. And it is said that Kaylan had been attacked and beaten by females, you see me? And it is said that she had been wounded and she had been hospitalized, you see me? For those who might not know what this whole thing is about, you know, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click the link, it will take you to another video and you might get somewhat of a better understanding as to what had happened, you see me? You know, I bring this piece of video to you, my viewers and subscribers, just to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on when it comes on to this whole thing, where it said that Kaylan had been hospitalized and they said that she had been beaten by females. That's what I'm saying to you. So I hope you understand some of the things that she had said, viewers and subscribers. You see me? According to some of the things that I heard in the video, you know, I get the understanding that she's saying that Kaylan is not doing so well when it comes on to recovering and so on. You see me? So, you know, it's just sad, you see. Before I leave this video, viewers and subscribers, you know, I want to talk about something where it is said that a female had been wrongfully accused. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw a news report about the female who is said to be wrongfully accused. You see me? Because there are pictures circulating on social media that shows females who are said to be involved in the incident where it is said that Kaylan had been attacked and beaten by females. Is what I'm saying to you. And one of the females who had been accused of this whole thing, where they said that Kaylan had been beaten by females, you see me? One of the females put a video on social media, and you know, she said that she's not involved in the incident. Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw a news report, and I'm going to tell you in my words what that news report said. You understand? Or I'm going to tell you how I understand what the news report is about. You see me? Now, that news report that I saw, viewers and subscribers, I get the understanding that the police confirmed that this female that I'm talking about is not involved in the incident. You see me?
We had no interest in her, and so she was able to leave with her in the presence of her attorney. We have no interest in her. She is not implicated in what transpired.
You see this person that you see in the picture right here, right? This person you see in this picture right here, viewers and subscribers. You see me? According to how I understand some things that have been said in a news report, I get the understanding that the police within the country of Jamaica confirmed that the female has nothing to do with the incident. All right?
I understand that she's a friend of the ladies or may have some association with them, but she was in no way, shape or form involved.
So if you see pictures or videos out there still accusing this lady, member Dancehall tell you what a news report said. You understand? And I'm just making it very clear the things that I heard and understand. All right? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about this whole thing, viewers and subscribers, and keep your prayers up for Kaylan. You understand? Yeah? Let's hope for the best, and I only hope that you pull through and so on. All right? Yeah, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man.